There, I just wanted to talk a little bit about my 2005 Ford Freestar. Had a problem when I got back from a trip the other day, and it ran fine. I came back from where I was going. The next morning it wouldn't idle, and it wouldn't transmission. The transmission wouldn't work, real sluggish. And you look that up and it says wet PCM, vacuum lines, it's checked all that. And in checking all that, I found the other cause that can make no transmission. Down here, there's a manifold rod, right where that white thing is, and it connects over to right there. And that activates through your throttle. Doesn't give the information to the computer. So therefore, I was lucky enough to find it on my engine block, and I put it back in. Now, I put it back in using the only thing I had, which was a molly. I cut the end of a molly and popped it on there. It fit nice and tight. And same on this. It was a pain in the ass to get in there, but if you have a problem other than your wet PCM and water, you probably should look down at that linkage and make sure the plastic clips didn't break off. Alright, thank you for watching, and good luck with your 2005 Ford Freestar.